If you're looking for a fast way to create personalized cold outreach templates using AI, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that, saving you tons of time and effort when reaching out to potential clients. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also be sharing an exclusive free trial for a software that will make this process even easier for you. First, let's talk about why using AI for cold outreach is a game changer. Manually crafting personalized messages for every lead can be exhausting. With AI, you can automate the process and still maintain a personal touch that gets attention. Let's dive into how you can use AI to create cold outreach templates that resonate with your audience. Start by choosing the right AI tool. I've tried many of the top tools out there, but the software we'll be using today stands out. It allows you to input some basic information about the person you're reaching out to, and it generates personalized templates based on that data. This software understands tone, language, and key phrases that are likely to grab attention, making it ideal for outreach. Now here's where it gets interesting. Once you've selected your software, you'll input some details about your prospect. For instance, the prospect's name, their company, and any key information you know about them. The AI then crafts a message that feels tailored to them without sounding robotic. The key to making this work well is providing the right prompts. For example, you can tell the AI what you want the main focus of the message to be, whether that's offering a service, starting a partnership, or introducing your product. You can even specify the tone you want, whether it's casual, professional, or somewhere in between. This level of customization is what makes AI so powerful for creating cold outreach templates. One of the best features of using AI for outreach is the ability to quickly tweak your templates for different types of prospects. If you're reaching out to a high-level executive, you might want the message to sound more formal, whereas for a mid-level manager, you could use a more conversational tone. With AI, you can easily adjust the language and structure to fit the situation. But here's a quick pro tip. Always review the output from the AI to ensure it aligns with your style and voice. While AI is powerful, it still benefits from a personal touch. Once you finalize the template, you can reuse it for multiple prospects, saving you time while maintaining that personalized feel. If you're wondering where to get started, I've got you covered. I've linked an exclusive free trial of the software we've been using in the description below. This offer is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure you grab it and follow along as you create your own outreach templates. So, what's the key takeaway here? Using AI to create personalized cold outreach templates is an efficient way to save time while ensuring your messages still hit the mark. Start by choosing the right AI tool, inputting key details, and adjusting your templates based on the recipient. With a bit of practice, you'll be crafting outreach messages that stand out in no time. To recap, select the right AI software, input key details, fine-tune your messages, and personalize them for each prospect. And remember, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description to get started with the software we used in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.